Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Bath and Body Works app keeps closing problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Bath and Body Works app and then tap on app info option. Once you tap on app info, then here tap on storage usage option on the top. And now here you will see two options, clear cache as well as clear data. So tap on both. And now we will tap clear data option and now OK. Now the cache and clear data has been cleared. Now close this app and go to the next step. The next step is open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and then tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type bath and body works and then OK. Now here you will see update button option, so simply tap on update to update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue for you. So hope this will help you. Thanks.